I'll be fixing everything, because there's always something to fix. Let's see what is wrong with this machine. I knew what is wrong. It's just I chopped my finger 3 months ago and I completely forgot. So let's see. It says self-test, hot water warming up. We saw that the pump is working. Did you saw this? This is good. This means pump it is working. Warming up. Good. Let's see if there is coffee inside. And not a lot of coffee. Let's put some coffee in. Usually I keep the bad coffees for when I repair machines. Unfortunately, no bad coffees. So only have the good ones. Oh, this smells so nice. Good, do we have some water? We do have some water in. Okay. Should we look on the inside? This one is all the way in. It says self-test again, warming up. Okay, we'll let it warm up and we'll see what will happen. It says select product ready for use. No problem. One small coffee please. That's a lot of coffee for coffee beans empty. Ready for use. Okay, that's strange, no problem. Coffee bean is not empty. Let's see what is happening on the inside here. Can you see? This one is empty. Strange. Over temperature. Well, okay. Let me top up with some water. Or should we see if it stops? Let's see again with another button. Pre-ground coffee. Ready for use. Maybe this one. Something happened, yeah? Pre-brewing. No water is coming out of here. Nothing. So problem is that no coffee is coming out of the brew group. Okay, it stopped and now it will do something. Maybe it tipped everything it had. I think it's a bit more here. And this one, yeah, so that's our problem. Something somewhere is blocked. I'll figure it out now. I'll just see. How is the grinder? Let's see. Oh, very nice, very nice. It's grinding okay. It's not like completely fine. Something is blocked somewhere. Just before I dismantle the brew group, I want to check if there's water coming out from the valve here. Yeah, from this valve, water should flow into the brew group. This is a switch for the door, and this here is a switch for the brew group. Now machine is, I bypassed the two switches onto the machine, and now the machine thinks that the whole mechanism is in. Also, there is like a little valve inside here that we can, or I can, lift up so we can see if water comes out. Okay, so reach with me. From there I think you'll be able to see. And we'll check if water comes out. Now we need to check if water comes out, that's the main thing. So once more coffee will drop inside here. You'll see the coffee. Oh no. We definitely don't want this to happen. Okay, again, same thing. Okay. I don't see any water coming out. Anyway, we'll try one more time though. Now grab this from the brew group. This is the mechanism itself. Come on. Little bolt is out. And now very gently. Well, this one we'll take and just push into here like this. Okay. Good. So water, what I did, take it out, yeah, Water should flow right here. Okay, try again. I'll hold this one in place now. Can you see how little? This is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing is coming from the bottom as well. No. It is hot, but it's just dripping nothing. So there is a blockage somewhere. Okay, take this one out, take this one off, and we'll return it. I'll return it back to the brew group. No. Something is stuck right there. I need to open the whole machine and check that valve. So the problem is not in the brew group. Okay, so I return the valve, the guide. Let's see how we're going to remove the boiler so we can inspect the valve on the boiler. I'm generally removing the boiler on this machine. Now, I already removed the brew group. I'll show you how to remove it if you don't know. Okay, it is like this. Yeah. You open this one, pull this one out. This one needs to be left to the side. Squeeze here, remove it, put it to the side. This one, for the water, we need to take out. And then the coffee, I'll scoop it and put it in a cup, in a cup. I'll just put it in a cup like this. Okay, what we're gonna do now is you need a little. Here is Torx. We're gonna need Torx and Phillips head. Start with the Phillips head. Right here there is 2 screws. They need to be removed. Okay, you can wash this one if you want. I'll wash it. Take the power off the machine. There is 3 screws here that needs to be removed. 1, 2. Usually it's 3 of them. Now only 2. Anyway. These are Torx, sometimes if they're being changed, or Phillips. Size of the screws here is T10. I'll put the screws in here. Now there is a adjustment lever right here that needs to be removed. This one is marked. If your one is not, you can mark it the same way. Small screw on the right, big screw on the left. Good. Now, I did not stop the machine from the power. We need to remove this one. Like this. Okay, this one comes out as well. And now there is two screws. This one is still in place. I'll show you now. Here, Phillips head and another Phillips head right there. This one also needs to be taken out. Very small screw on this side as well. Good, now take this one out, and there is a pipe we need to remove right here. Silicone pipe. Squeeze it out, and also I can leave this one right in here. Be careful to not lose the rubber for the grinder. Okay. Okay, now let's remove the connector. Okay, blue, red and double yellow onto the left. If you want to remove the lid, yeah, you need to remove the double yellow connector. I'll just lean it to the side. Now there is two more bolts we need to take out in order to make this one loose. These two, the bigger ones, these are tight. Look how clean this machine is. 27,000 coffees it made. 27,000. Okay. Now I don't want to undo this thing here, so I'll just pull it out. Okay, just like that. And also I'll take the connector out from here, just to be clear from the pump. Okay, so I'm clear from the pump. Now be careful with any other cables. So the two green wires. Now the ground wire I'll take out, or at least I'll try to take out. There we go, disconnected. This is the measuring device. Okay, the two gray wires, so disconnect as well. Okay, we have the two green wires. It doesn't matter how they're connected, I'll show you where they are connected. Right here, and from underneath. Okay, and we only have one gray and one blue wire to disconnect. Okay, and this is the boiler removed. Okay, so that's how to remove the boiler. Okay, just return this pipe so we can check what is wrong. Yeah, and now we'll see if water goes in and flows. I think it will flow from here though. Yes, but let's see if we clog it up. Nothing. So let's see. I'll just take 17mm spanner if I have one. I don't think I have one, but this one I will open up. Yeah, and we'll check the condition. I'm too lazy to go and take 17mm spanner, so pliers will be. I hope I don't ruin it, because it's like 5 days holidays where I am, so if I ruin it, I'll ruin it, huh? No, I'm not. So let's see now. This one is looking fine. I got this little thing that goes like this. These look new. Someone's been here. I think this one is supposed to move. Can you see? That's a problem. What we're going to do is take a Phillips head and remove the whole thing. To me this does not look okay. Can you see? Someone's me here. Why would you do that? Okay, don't worry, I'll buy the correct stuff. Okay, so I will submerge the whole thing. I'll submerge the whole thing into a fluid, and this will here will get moving. But yeah, that's the one right there. Can you see clogged? Wow.